Bats are often misunderstood creatures but are one of nature's greatest allies. While some people might think of them as scary or strange, the truth is that bats do so much good for our world. They help protect our food, support healthy ecosystems, and even contribute to science and medicine in ways most don't realize. Without bats, our environment and many aspects of our daily lives would be much worse off. Imagine a world where pests overrun crops, diseases spread more quickly, and forests struggle to grow. That's what could happen if we didn't have bats. These small but powerful animals eat millions of insects every night, including pests that harm crops and spread disease. They also pollinate plants and spread seeds, helping new trees grow and maintaining a steady food supply. In short, bats play a vital role in keeping nature balanced and healthy. Yet, bats are facing severe threats, and many species are declining in numbers. If we lose them, we'll face bigger problems with farming, health, and the environment. That's why it's essential to understand the benefits bats bring to our world and take steps to protect them. Once you realize how much they contribute, it's hard not to appreciate these amazing creatures. 1. Natural pest control. Imagine a world with fewer mosquitoes and bugs nibbling at crops. Bats make this possible. Many bats feed on insects, which helps farmers by reducing pests that damage crops. This means farmers need fewer chemicals, pesticides, to protect their plants. Bats save farmers billions of dollars each year just by eating bugs. 2. Pollination. Bats don't just help farmers. They help with something else we love, our food. Some bats drink nectar from flowers, just like bees. This makes them excellent pollinators. They help plants, like the ones that grow bananas and peaches, produce fruits. They're even behind the growth of agave, the plant we need to make tequila. In tropical areas, bats are superheroes for many types of plants. 3. Spreading seeds. When fruit-eating bats munch on fruits, they help forests grow by spreading seeds far and wide. These seeds fall to the ground and grow into new trees and plants, especially in tropical forests where bats are essential for keeping the ecosystem thriving. 4. Natural fertilizer. Bat poop, known as guano, might not sound glamorous, but it's an excellent fertilizer. It's packed with nutrients that help plants grow, especially in caves where bat droppings provide much-needed nourishment for plants and other organisms. 5. Boosting biodiversity. Bats are an essential part of the food chain. They're a food source for animals like owls and other predators. When bats are around, they help keep ecosystems diverse and balanced, making sure no one species takes over and disrupts the natural flow. 6. Environmental health indicators. Bats are like nature's alarm system. They're susceptible to environmental changes, like when forests are destroyed or pesticides are overused. Scientists monitor bat populations because their health can signal if an ecosystem is in trouble. 7. Economic powerhouses. By reducing pests and helping plants grow, bats contribute to healthier crops, forests, and economies. In the U.S. alone, their services are worth billions of dollars annually. Fewer pests mean better yields for farmers and less need for harmful chemicals. 8. Inspiring science. Bats have given us some fantastic ideas for technology. Their ability to navigate using sound, called echolocation, has inspired improvements in sonar systems and even drones. These advances help in fields like engineering and robotics. 9. Fighting disease. By eating tons of insects like mosquitoes, bats help keep the spread of certain diseases in check. For example, fewer mosquitoes mean less risk of diseases like West Nile virus. Bats act as natural disease fighters by simply enjoying their insect meals. 10. Cultural and educational importance. Bats have long been misunderstood and often associated with spooky myths. However, they play a significant role in education and conservation efforts. Learning about bats can change people's perceptions of wildlife and inspire them to support efforts to protect these critical creatures. Bats may be small, but their impact on our world is enormous. From controlling pests and pollinating plants to helping forests grow, they do much more for us than most people realize. Without them, our crops would suffer, our environment would be less balanced, and we would face even more significant challenges with insect diseases. Bats work quietly in the background, but their role is essential to keeping our world healthy. Now is the time to change how we think about bats and to take steps to protect them. Their numbers are shrinking due to habitat loss and other threats, but with our help, they can continue to thrive. By understanding their incredible value and supporting efforts to conserve them, we are saving bats and protecting our food, health, and environment. It's a small effort that can have a significant impact on the future of our planet. Bats are vital to ecosystem health, agricultural productivity, and biodiversity. Their decline poses significant risks to environmental stability and economic well-being, highlighting the need for conservation efforts. Please subscribe and follow for more.